Okay, so we got a loan of 32,000 for her flower shop business, interest rate of 5.29% compounded monthly. She's going to pay it back in 6 equal installments, paid at the end of each month over the next 5 years. Okay, calculate the amount of each monthly installment. All right, so let's see if I can do this right the first time or if I have to make this video again. So my present value is $32,000. My interest rate is 5.29%. My K is 12. We're going to pay it back in 60 equal installments at the end of each month for the 5 years. So the N, I'm going to put at 60. All right, I'm going to make some changes to this. My future value is going to be 0. All right, so it wants to know how much I'm going to have to pay. So let's see if this works. So apps, finance, solve. All right, so I'm going to make 60 monthly payments. My interest rate is 5.29% divided by 12 for 12 months. I'm going to do this monthly. My present value is 32,000. I'm going to figure my payment out. My future value is 0. Now my payments per year is 1 because it's really payments per month. And my compounding is 1, not 12, because I'm doing it per month. All right, I'm paying at the end of the month. So I'm going to go up here and get my payment and see if it looks reasonable. Alpha, enter. So $608.14. So my payment is $608.14, which seems reasonable to me because if I did 60 of those, it looks like I'm going to be around $36,000, which is pretty reasonable payment there. So then it says 4 years after she starts repaying a loan, she decides to repay the rest in a final single installment. Calculate the amount owing at the end of 4 years. This is another really common financial question if you take any financial stuff. So what I need to know is what's the future value at the end of making these payments. So my present value is still 32,000. My future value is what I'm trying to figure out. My payment I just figured out was 608. Hang on here, 608.14. I'm doing this for 4 years, but I'm going to figure this all out monthly. My interest rate was 5.29%, but I'm doing it monthly again. My compounding was 12 times a year, but again, I'm doing it monthly, so I'm dividing it by 12. And then I want to know what my future value is, and that should be everything. So let's see if it works. I should have paid back a significant portion of it. So my N is 48. My interest rate's the same, it's fine. There's my present value, there's my payment. My future value is what I'm trying to figure out. My compounding stays the same. So alpha, enter. So I owe $7,092.81. So future value is $7,092.81. That's what I still owe at the end of 4 years, and I can pay that back at once instead of waiting.